Okay, hi Watt. Thanks for doing the interview. Thanks for taking the time. If you could introduce yourself to the community, tell us a bit about yourself, where you're from, how long you've been trading, that kind of thing.
Okay, so I'm Olawale Akinyemi from Nigeria, and this is my third year of trading. I started trading 2020, so this is my third year of trading, and I'm a graduate of civil engineering. So I think
Okay.
that's
So what have you been trading lately?
GBPUSD and EURUSD.
Okay, the two main FX pairs. Okay. And you're a day trader or some kind of swing trader?
No, day trader.
Day trader. Okay. Any particular strategy?
Yes, I use just a simple strategy, just SMC, smart money concepts.
Oh, okay. Okay. So liquidity pools.
Yeah.
Okay. So you learn these off ICT?
I try them sometimes, but then I just prepare like something simple. So I think I'm still okay with SMC.
Okay. All right. So what are you looking for in a setup with regards to a smart money concept trade?
So mostly my strategy is I check from daily time frame, my major swing highs, swing lows, other blocks, imbalances. Then from there, when I start from the daily, I move down to the H4 to refine it. Then my entries from 15 minutes. So that's how I take my trades.
Okay. All right. Could you share a screen? Maybe show us a recent trade?
Okay, let me do that.
Yes, we can. We can see Eurodollar on the 4 hour. Yeah.
Yes. So I start my analysis from daily actually, as I said earlier. So from here, you can see this is my swing low. It's a downtrend before. Then there is a breaker. I have a change of character here. Yeah. At this point, let me delete this. So I have a change of character at this candle here.
Okay, so as soon as that candle closes above that previous breaker?
Exactly, yes.
Okay.
So I move down to H4 to get, so I mark this other block that causes the break for my daily. So I use this box, this rectangle to mark that. And I come down to H4. So from my H4, I refine the entry, taking this other block to this.
Okay, so you got the daily order block and you're refining it on the 4 hour. Okay.
On 4 hours, exactly. So then for my 4 hours, then I move down to my 15 minutes to check, to get my entry on 15 minutes. So give me a minute. So this is my first trade. I really don't trade like almost every time. Just when I get my setup, I take my trades. So now I'll come down to 15 minutes to check for a refine entry. Then I take my trade. So from here I can see a push down here. So I get the lowest bearish candle here. Now I wait for a break of structure. This is the lowest bullish candle that causes this pull down. So there's a break of structure here. Okay. I put my entry at this tip. So this is my entry here, and I target 1:5.
1 to 5, did you say?
Yeah, 1 to 5, yes.
Okay.
But I break even when I get to 1:2. So I put my SL to my entry as 1:2, then I let the others run. So that's basically I take my trades.
Okay. Excellent. All right. So you're trading this based on higher time frame, and then this is your execution time frame. Is it the 15-minute?
Exactly. So 15 is my execution time frame.
Okay. And how many trade setups like this do you get regularly on Eurodollar?
Only when I get, it's probably like I get my entry probably 3 or 4 times a month. So I don't really trade every time like that. And I take EURUSD and GBPUSD. So if I'm not getting entry on my Euro, then I can switch to my GU that is entry there. And if not, so you notice on this GU now, I've been waiting for the pullback to get to the zone. And since 14th of November, I've not gotten an entry. So I'm still sitting on my hands.
Yeah. Makes sense. Okay.
Till
Right.
I get a pullback to this zone here before I take my entry. But now I'm
Mm-hmm.
looking, this area is still of interest. If I get a break upward here, so I'll be considering this level. But for now, I'm still waiting for it to get to, or I get a break higher. So that's basically how I do my thing.
I understand. Okay, so you're trading cable and EURUSD with smart money concepts. Okay, and
Yeah.
how are you finding these two pairs with FundedNext? The slippage and the spread's good?
Yeah, the spread is okay. I really do enjoy it, and it's the stupid. I really don't, unless I've not noticed it. So I use sell limits. I use limits. So sell limit, buy limit to take my trade. So when I set it, I let it be. So either it is my SL or my TP. So that's how I roll. So I really don't focus on checking slippage and all like that.
Okay. So any issues with FundedNext? Are you happy with the you say you're entering on with stop, you're entering with limits, yeah? So you're waiting for your price to come back to an area, and those limits are getting triggered.
Activate it.
Yeah.
Yes,
okay,
they are getting triggered like at the exact prices, so I'm cool with that.
Good stuff. Okay. Can you maybe share your FundedNext dashboard?
Okay.
So win rate 40%, risk reward 1 to 2.5. Yeah, excellent. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So yeah, all looking good. So this is obviously a 6K account, 6K stellar account, is it?
Yes. No. Yeah. Evaluation accounts.
Evaluation. Oh, okay. Right.
Yes.
Okay. So you're currently up $600 on that account. Okay. Looks good. Okay.
That's basically how I do my thing. So.
Pretty average longs, shorts, both equal percentages.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Worst trade, you only lost $92. Excellent. So nice low loss. Best trade 386. Yeah, that's what's like. That's what we want to see. So yeah, keeping your risk under control. How much percent do you trade? I mean, how much percent do you risk per trade? Do you have a set percentage?
1%. Yes, I use percentage. So I risk 1% for my accounts.
Okay. 1% per trade. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Excellent. All right. Okay. So are you looking to trade any other pairs, or are you just going to stick with cable and euro?
I'm just staying with that too, because I think based on my back test, I'm okay with these two. They actually work with this my strategy, and they give me like, I'm cool with it. So I think I'm just okay with these two pairs.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah, always best to focus on a couple of pairs, maybe if you're.
Yeah.
So, any suggestions to traders out there who are struggling to get funded?
Yeah, my advice to them is just keep showing up. Show up every day, and before you know it, you will actually be good and okay with it. So just keep on showing, and then you'll be fine.
How did you backtest your strategy? Just with trading?
I use I use software FX.
Okay, software
it's
FX.
a backtest app. Yes.
Yeah.
So that's what I use for my backtest.
7 years of backtest data. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good software. Okay. Well, thanks for your time. Good luck with the evaluation account. I'm sure we'll speak again once you've passed that. And
thank you very much.
All the best. Speak to you soon. Bye.
Okay. Thank you very much.